Well, Chloe burned a whole 6 liters, and I burned a whole 12 liters. See if we could do a little better today. I mean, it'd be cheap riding every day. You're a really expensive date, eh? You burned a whole 6 liters of gas. Someone didn't have a great day. A little smoky in there. Looking pretty nice out here today for day 2. Up in one of my favorite zones. It's actually a beautiful plowed road today, so that's great. I was thinking we're gonna have to go up 10K moguls, and Chloe was gonna be cursing me out, but I way rather this. This is great. I feel like quite the slacker the last 2 days though. We're getting such a late start. Today we were in the Frisbee parking lot and had to go back to the hotel because we forgot something. And then we went to drive to Frisbee again, and then halfway down the road I turned around and decided to come here. So a little bit farther of a drive. Left the parking lot at like pretty much noon. But I think that's alright though, because I don't really think Chloe can handle a full day right now anyway. This baby's fun! Trying to put a trail in up this hill for Chloe. It's definitely a little bit above her level. Here comes Chloe up my trail. Throttle, babe! The walk of shame. If it wasn't so trenched out, I would have had her try again. Well, we made it up to the top here. Chloe just about made it. Had to ride her sled like 80 feet for her. But yeah, sun kind of disappeared on us, but still a pretty nice day up here. Not a stitch of wind. How's the learning going?
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's going. It's going.
Why you sound so...
It's going great.
That's better. There you go. She's going to watch some tip videos tonight on YouTube while I edit this video up.
Oh, yes.
Oh man, just ripping up the trees here, so much fun. Planted my first turbo here. Whew. So I picked up a Hero 9 for this year, and it's quite a bit heavier than the Hero 7 I was using, because you got to get like a media mod that goes around it. Corona. And then I got the Max lens mod on it too. I tell you, it sure hurts my neck by the end of the day, and today's just a short day. Also, CKX came out with these new gloves this year. I forget what they're called, but they're way better than any other glove they'd had in the past. They're a thinner glove, so you have really nice grip on the bars. Well, I'll get back down to the truck here. And I think someone stole my super clamps. My front clamps anyway. I put the back ones in the box, but I just usually leave the front ones up top. I've never had anyone steal anything from me, but I guess today was the day someone had to steal them. Look at. Oh, we got our nice cat straps in place of our super clamps for now. Guess I'll go buy some new ones. Learn my lesson. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I know lots of GoPro footage, but I had a pretty fun time ripping the 154 turbo in the trees. Still kind of pissed that someone stole my clamps, but I guess it's partly my fault for leaving the clamps on top of the deck, but I've always done that in the past, and I've never had anyone steal from me, but I guess it is what it is. I'm definitely not going to find whoever stole 2 super clamps. I'll just have to go buy some more. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.